This is Joan of Arc, and this is my niece Alex.
Hello.
We are broadcasting from Qatar, and look at that slime she's making.
I have a lot of slime over
She
here.
has lots of it, and I don't know what to call it in Ilonggo. You gotta help me, guys. It looks slimy, so maybe the word would be DANLAK. And it's stretchy. Well, DANLAK.
Oh, did you see that?
she did it. Okay.
I made a big bubble.
Okay, slime.
Go
We
follow
don't
me.
have an exact Ilonggo word for slime, but we Ilonggos have this favorite vegetable dish. Like, it's very slimy. We call it laswa. It's made up of all the slimy veggies. So we also describe it as danlog, the slime thingy. So there.
Go back so you can
So if you
see it.
say slimy, if you describe something slimy, you can use congratulations.
Yay, we finally caught that on camera.
So you can call it danlog. But
Go
danlog.
subscribe to my YouTube channel at Eyeshan.
Okay, yes. See? So subscribe to her channel as well. So danlog means slippery actually. So it's more slippery than slimy, or also slimy. Danlog is
Slimy.
slide as well. So when you trip over because the floor is slippery, so
Slimy.
when you slip, you do the danlog. So because it's danlog. No, danlog is an adjective for a slippery surface. So when you trip, wow, that's bula. Bula is a bubble. So, okay.
Yay.
Two
I
words.
made a bula.
Yes, a bula, a bubble.
I'm learning too.
She's learning too.
I don't know this.
So, two words for today. Danlog for slimy and bula for bubble. Slimy bubble. Woo! This is Joan of Arc and Alex. Subscribe to our channel and see you in our next video. Bye-bye.